about. That's what Florida's all about right here. Hammer time. What's the longest fight I've had? I fought a bluefin tuna one time for 7.5 hours. That was brutal. Not the most fun I've ever had. Stacked. Yeah.
They don't eat at night, dude.
I just had one. I'll bet you my bait's gone. What you think? Don't think so? I saw the balloon cut left really fast. I was like, there he is. Just want to get one on stream. I want to see y'all catch some snook, dude.
Yeah, dude.
See, and the thing about it, dude, if we had the 50 wide, I could just leave the clicker on with this thing. Bring the pier card out here, dude.
The locals ain't out here. That's what scares me.
It's because it's so touristy. That's good, dude. I don't want nobody out here. Look at this. This is amazing by
Bite
myself.
was fire at like 3.
Sunset, dude. Sunset ebb tide. That's all the inlet bite. But we'll still get them right. I'm still going to hook a couple more sharks. But I want to see if y'all get some snook. Maybe try to catch some of those or something. Bluefin tunas are fighters from what I've seen. Yes. I hooked one on... The problem was, it's not like... Okay, so bluefins, yeah, you usually only fight them for like 30 minutes to an hour. But the problem was I hooked a bluefin on the wrong gear. I had hooked on a striper reel. And it was miserable. I've hooked 2.
Yeah, we'll bite.
Hooked the other, broke one, and then...
Did you have one when I was gone?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh wait, not the drift here. I did this drift and some guy was like, "Yo, turn off your lights." I just walked away.
What?
Said to turn off my light.
Who?
Some guy right there fishing.
You said to turn off your light?
Yeah. So it wasn't worth saying anything, so I just didn't do that drift anymore. I just got smoked right here.
Did you?
Yeah, dropped it though.
Turn off the light. Go fish somewhere else.
You think there's freaking snook out here right now?
Yeah, I turned.
That's right, incoming tide.
I have a glow stick on?
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Alternate advice. Yeah, so anyway, so I hooked it on striper gear, and we hooked it inshore, so the bluefins offshore don't fight that hard because they go vertical. You got them in like 400 feet of water, 500 feet of water, they go straight down, they can't move. But when you hook them into shallow water, like 30 feet, they go horizontal, and they just freaking smoke you. It was pretty miserable. So much edit, yeah, definitely. There's a lot of editing with Wicked Tuna. It's funny, the reel clickers don't even match up with the reels that they have. You're like, all right, cool. Look at it if it's out there now. Oh! I might check my bait, dude. I'll leave it for a few more minutes. It'd be nice to be able to walk in his jetty for one slick, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I get that, dude.
Is that icy? It's that icy, huh? It's nice to freaking see something big in the area though, man. Is that guy talking about yelling at more people? Never caught a shark in the winter? That land-based, y'all, I fished with this guy named Dennis, and he's got the world record yellowfin from shore. The last time I was actually down here in West Palm, I fished with him. He's a beast. He caught it off of like Assateague Island or somewhere freaking in like, I don't know where he freaking was, the middle of nowhere. And he got like a couple 100-pound yellowfin on a popper off the shore. Pretty intense. Water should be decently warm. Yeah, it's nice here. Dennis for eat, yes. All right. Later. I'm about to check this bait here in a second. Do another cast. It's every cast you get at least a bite. And I got smoked right there, but I missed the hook set. It like grabbed it, was taking it, and then just, no. I didn't want to set the hook on this I was standing right here. See how wet that is? I don't want to set the hook and get freaking slipped and killed. I was trying to get some dry rock. How sick? What are y'all talking about? Yeah, the water's probably 60. I think Pigway said 68. I don't have bait on here, dude. There's no freaking chance. That thing got smoked. Give it 5 more minutes. I'm gonna check it. That current right now, Donnie, is faster than Sebastian. Pretty crazy. Caught a shark up north of.
Let's sell cheese!
Yeah, they're freaking talking about it in the chat.
Let's go!
I already tried, Donnie.
Did you? Nothing.
Smash.
Snag?
Yeah.
Broke off? I've never seen somebody snag more than you in my life. Except for Austin.
I've snagged,
Bring
dude.
him out to the wrecks, dude. He's freaking fighting a warship down about 180 for 6 hours. My dad's looking at him. He's like, a nice one. My dad's like, yeah.
Yeah, ringtail.
No shot.
Ringtail.
Ringtail, dude. Yo, let me tell you about these things called ringtail. You catch them, and you throw them up in the air and get a shotgun and hit them before they get down.
What do you have on for bait, shrimp? We got the shrimp going out, ladies and gentlemen. I got smoked, dude, like 5 minutes ago. You think my bait's still on there?
Yeah.
It ain't a head, it's the body piece.
It ain't no head.
The head, I'd be confident.
Hey, I got these keys for you.
Gone.
That would be so bad.
That would be bad, dude. That would actually like probably ruin the trip.
We're fine. We can break one down. We can sit here.
You think I can get a run?
Oh,
He's on. He's on. There he is.
What were you saying?
The Daiwa dog fight, dude.
You gotta stop freaking catching them because.
What you got there, dude? What is that thing? Oh, the catfish,
God,
dude.
Donnie done caught all the catfish.
Jug it.
I stopped using this
Let me
thing
put
'cause
him
I was
out there
catching
live,
too many.
dude.
Catfish?
I mean, whatever you want.
You better save, dude. We only got a
I know.
pompano over there. I'll freaking send them out.
Catfish.
I want a Pen 8500, but I could say nope. Yeah, that'll do it, dude. These are actually pretty reasonably priced for what they do, you know? All right, what time is it? 2 minutes, guys. 7:16, I'm changing my bait, and we'll get Instabit. It seriously seems like the bite is really good at sunset, number one. But I already got bit. I got bit, so...
Might be done.
What'd you do, man?
I might be going to the hospital.
What happened?
He got hit by the freaking catfish, dude.
We're going to the hospital.
What?
It's cut wide open. Yeah. Donnie, pull that boot off.
Is it really bad?
Oh, man, dude. What, the dorsal get you?
It went right through my boot.
Come on.
Let's see. Can't show freaking string.
Donnie, easy, please.
He got freaking poked by old catfish.
You good?
I got that alcohol in the car, too. Just take it off.
He actually might be hurt also.
Freaking cut the boot off. What'd you do, kick the catfish or drop it on it?
I don't know. Please. Donnie.
Them sail cats got a freaking
Your toe? Is that the toe?
side fins like this.
Not my foot.
And they got poison in them. It's like a sea urchin.
How bad?
You're cut. It ain't bad, though. They got a poison. They're like a sea urchin.
What?
Yeah. It's like a jellyfish poison, not a lethal poison. It's like a freaking poison that makes it hurt.
Let me see. We gotta make sure to freaking find.
That's their freaking protection.
How did that
All right, I'm
happen?
gonna change this bait.
He
Yo, actually, it happened to somebody in my chat. Blaze did it with them Cellcash just the other day. Is it in there? It shouldn't be in there. It's the rubber boot. I'm gonna change my bait. He got fucking sliced up. So the sail catfish have two fins on the side of their head, and they got like they're soup. That's their protection. And I think he dropped it on foot. Big change time. Oh, I don't think I have bait on here. Don't freaking touch cat. Dude, that's jug revenge right there, dude. Yeah, they feel pretty freaking good.
There's your beer, Donnie.
There it is. Get to the left. Why is this freaking bobber so far down here?
I hope you guys know this is the first Super Bowl I ever watched them pull.
Right there, Donnie.
I don't know if it's in between your toe or
Right
on
there.
your toe.
Like right there.
I gotta figure out how to get his balloon. Look at this slide over the unit knot.
God!
Please!
What?
Got him in the webbing.
Oh, in the web.
In between.
It got him good, dude. I got bit by a bluefish. You got freaking dropped on by a sailfish. Yeah, next up, Donnie's going for a swim. I gotta pop the balloon. All right, look, it slid in my uni knot.
Why?
Why are they so miserable?
I'm not touching catfish ever again. Don't ask me to go jugging.
Don't ask me to go jugging. Dude, I can't go jugging ever again. All right, gotta put another freaking balloon on here. That's miserable. I can't get over the uni knot, dude. Look at that. Look how miserable that is. Somehow floated over it.
I can't see when you point the
I know, that's why I tried to look away. See it? How could I do this?
That's bad.
You'll be just fine.
Maybe not if I go. I gotta clean it now.
Dude, it ain't that bad. I mean, I got that alcohol in the car, but I get bit by a freaking fish, slice my hands off. The toe web, dude, that web.
Got him in the web.
All right, I gotta freaking change this balloon. I gotta do it. I was trying to think of every way around it, but I don't think there's a way.
That thing is probably the sharpest.
Second, that's the most unlucky thing I've ever seen in my life.
Get this glow stick. Dude, I thought something like for real happened. I thought you said you like snapped your ankle in one of these holes.
I knew what had happened.
I kicked the catfish downward, dude, and it somehow is that sharp.
He got the last laugh, dude.
I just got smoked.
Oh.
Where's that catfish, dude? You feel the rat?
Y'all think I can get this balloon off? I guess it's fine. All right.
What'd you say?
That's what they do, dude. They freaking got that venom on them, man.
It's just like
Where's that balloon at? All right, here. Joey dies to freaking a sail cat, dude.
I don't know about
That happened to somebody in my chat the other day. We were just talking about it. They dropped one right on their foot and they were done.
I will kill it.
That's why I grabbed. You don't see me touch this with a rat. That's why I touch it with a rat. I haven't missed a Super Bowl point.
Bleeding out. All right, let's get a freaking bait out there and catch a shark or hook one, please. This is getting ridiculous. We got people freaking losing feet to catfish. You getting bites? Oh man, dude. I might be going shrimp on them, dude. All right. Back to the bite, dude. Here we go.
Did you try the walk yet?
Yes, and that's when the guy was like, turn off your light. And I just cranked in, so it's like it ain't worth it.
Look at this.
What's up? Oh, you can't see anything, so. What you got, dude?
Just his head left.
Oh.
He ate the rest.
All right. Just the head.
Yeah, no light.
No light. Here we go. That's usually me, dude. I'm usually one to freaking like cut my hand off or something. Kicking a catfish on your foot is. Take that away real quick. Sorry, Chad, I'm back. Ah. Look, Chad's watching Super Bowl together. What's up, Olivia? Big Bad Horse, thanks for following, guys. Sorry I'm not able to keep up with Chad as much as normal. This is pretty hands-on fishing here. I might go over and try to catch some shrimp, or catch some freaking snook and stuff here in a minute. Depending on what happens with this next shark. If I hook another one that freaking smokes me and breaks me off from something, I'm just gonna go ahead and try a little bit different fishing maybe. I don't freaking know. Depends on what Donnie is. Donnie say you get a bite every cast. What's that? Isn't it crazy that snook don't eat on ebb? Is that the wildest thing you've ever heard?
No.
Dude, they did it at Sebastian too.
They do every time you go to Florida and Captiva Island over there.
Yeah.
They eat one tide and one tide only.
I'm sending the balloon out, dude. Here she goes. It's going, dude.
Jesus Christ.
Could you imagine taking the G3 out here, dude? Spool. Yeah, I ain't going out of that inlet, dude. You're right. Right over this, right when you come off this right side, dude.
12 o'clock north.
I can't see it anymore, Seth. Oh, yeah.
I know it's
It's whatever. Yeah, north of the jetty. East.
Oh! On the beach.
He's on.
They're all
That's
catfish.
freaking, dude, they're feisty.
Are they cat dogs?
Yeah.
Don't tell me that, dude. You freaking got another catfish for real? Oh, baby.
Don't get on there.
Don't get him near me.
Look at that thing.
He was hungry.
That right there won its battle against Joey.
Joey.
Them things right here, this is what happened, guys.
That's
I'm
side.
freaking scared, dude.
Sides.
I
I
got
know.
one tail. Hold him
Freaking-
so I can unhook him. You can throw him back, right?
Right here, that fin right there, guys? Right there, yep. That thing right there is deadly.
Yeah, it is. Hold
Look
your.
how
Can you hold him?
stiff it is, dude.
Can you hold him? Can you hold him?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Look at the scrum.
Stab.
I don't want you. You don't want bait, right? That's fine.
I mean, they ain't freaking...
They're not here.
Look at that balloon out there, dude. Oh, my goodness. Spool coming right at you.
So I'm about to take the truck to patient first, so
Trust me, it's a pretty common thing, those catfish things. Because they don't... The thing is, they
Toes
don't...
like that, dude.
They don't let their fins down, like you just said. They literally don't let them down, so it's just like always out. It's like
Dude,
when
I
you're
didn't
trying
even
to...
stomp on them. I like kicked it like in the air.
Sharpest things on earth.
Got it. I kicked it in the air.
+1 catfish. Yes. Hey, we got the catfish counter going now, dude.
Well, that's like +5, so
Get the freaking catfish counter. We need to get the spooled counter.
I'm on fire.
I'm not fishing
Throw
until I
it.
catch a snook.
Throw it at Joey. Actually, Joey, remember? Chip would have fit best. Thanks, dude.
Chip. Thank you for giving so much.
Today a lot. I'm on, dude. So here we go.
Are you?
Yep.
Oh my God! Look at that freaking line. Here we go. Dropped it. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right, baby. Go right. Baby. He's going back left. He's going back left.
Feels like a spinner. I can feel him jumping out there.
I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him.
I'm gonna help you, but
Come on, go right. He's going right, dude. Good news.
Please go right. Please go right. Pulled him off. Yeah.
You're getting good at that, huh?
I mean, it's freaking ridiculous.
I thought you were a captain.
They're uncatchable. Gotta show you.
Maybe we need H5.
I've caught quite a few fish. I'm gonna tell you right now, them things are miserable.
Cap, I thought you were a cat. They break you off or pull?
I hope it pulled. It'd be miserable if I broke. I think it just pulled. I don't feel the balloon, but it might have popped.
The balloon's gone. As soon as that fish hits, it's gone.
Find out. I freaking hope I didn't
Find
break,
out
dude.
now, next on.
Dude, there's so many sharks out there and you can't catch any of them.
I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I'm catching catfish. You love me life.
The old catfish. Gotta bring the 50 wide, dude. 300 pounds of drag. I just
50 wide isn't going to do anything.
nothing but monofilament, dude.
That's so cheap.
I got the rig, dude. I got the
You got
rig.
the rig?
Look.
That's exciting. Yeah, you do. Look at that.
Whoa, we got the rig.
That's good news, huh? The hook's not.
Hey, that's the first pull off right there we've had.
That's a good sign, though.
Freaking hook's right now.
What?
I'm kidding,
No,
I'm
it
kidding,
didn't.
I'm kidding.
Dude, if that... Did you hear... Can we clip that? Did you guys hear my voice right there?
No freaking way.
Dude, I have relied on that same hook for my life.
I cup checked myself, so you want to talk about going to the hospital, dude. That when that shark came tight, dude, it just...
Joe, you got beat by a cat dog in saltwater. Talk about it.
Dude. Guys, I hope you guys understand there's nothing we can do about these. These are, like I said, these are not weak sharks. Get that right. Man. At least we're hooking them. Guys, hey, look. It might suck that this is happening, but what would we have done for one of those bites yesterday all day?
Awesome.
See that?
I feel blood at the bottom of my boot.
I got a story for you. I was running on the carpet. I was running on carpet due to my house, and I ran over a razor blade, a box cutter that was on the floor in bare feet.
One time I was fishing in Carolina and a kid fell over and the guy got 20 over the ground.
Hey, that was me.
That was him. Austin, you got the
What's up? Man, dude.
sticks?
Do I got a... I'm sorry, say it again?
How many glow sticks did you get?
We got like a couple packs.
I have bait on mine. I'm gonna throw it out there so I can start.
Please, help me. We are up to... Dude, I'm hooking the most epic fish ever, and my counter of the day says +2 catfish.
Wait,
Yo,
did I catch those 2 catfish?
Yeah, you did. You're on the meat. Yo, my hook's hanging here, so watch your feet walking over here.
If y'all tell Joey that. If you guys knew what I caught, Lynn.
Guys, I'm so sorry that we can't come to... I mean, we're not... We're going to get them.